Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom, and in today's episode, you will learn how to talk about opening things, bottles, jars, and boxes. In this episode, I will also show you short videos of these actions so you can see what each verb exactly means. This video is based on your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support, my friends. As always, you will listen, repeat, and practice with me. Let's begin. Okay, the first word is twist off. Twist off. Now, you can see a hand turning a bottle cap.
This is a bottle cap.
This is a bottle cap. She turns it to open the bottle. This action is called twist off. Turn something to open it. Now, say it with me. Twist off. Now, let's try this sentence. I twist off the bottle cap. Again, I twist off the bottle cap. Great. Now this one. I twist off the cap and take a sip. Just like in the video. Here is another one. I twist off the top of the water bottle. I twist off the top of the water bottle. Great. Another one. She twists off the top and smells the drink. Great. Okay, now you see someone with a jar of jam. She puts her hand on the lid and turns it to the left slowly. The lid comes off. It opens. This action is called unscrew. Unscrew. Turn something to open it. Usually, this is used for jars or things with a round lid. Now, say it with me. Unscrew. Unscrew. Great. Now, let's try this sentence together. I unscrew the jar lid. I unscrew the jar lid. Now, this one. I unscrew the jar and take some jam. Perfect. Here is another one. I unscrewed the lid of the peanut butter jar. Here is another one. She unscrews the bottle of vitamins. She unscrews the bottle of vitamins. Great. He unscrews the jar and puts it on the table. Very good. Now, here is another one.
I can't unscrew the jar, Di. It's too tight.
I can't unscrew the jar. It's too tight, just like in the video. All right, the next word is unpack. Now, you see someone opening a suitcase. He lifts the lid. Inside, there are clothes and shoes. He takes everything out, one by one. This action is called to unpack. Take things out of a bag or box or a suitcase. Let's try this sentence. I unpack my suitcase. Great. I unpack my suitcase after the trip. Very good. Here is another one. She unpacks her backpack after work. Great. She unpacks the box and put things on the shelf. Very good. All right. Now you see someone holding a can of soda. They use one finger to pull the tap. It makes a quick sound, like, okay, the can is open. This action is called pop open. When something opens quickly with a small sound, we use the phrase to pop open. Now, let's try this sentence together. I pop open the soda can. Very good. I pop open the can and take a drink. Well done. They pop open the drink and smile. Awesome. She pops open the energy drink before her workout. Very good. Okay, now you see someone holding a banana. They pull the skin down slowly, one side at a time. The banana is open. This action is called peel open. This means to pull something open, layer by layer. Now, let's try this sentence together. I peel open a banana. Great. She peels open the orange and eats the slices. Very good. He peels open a small yogurt cup. Great. Okay, now you see someone holding an egg. She hits it on the bowl, then pulls it apart with both hands. The egg opens. This action is called crack open. This means to break something carefully to open it. Okay? So, let's try this sentence together. I crack open an egg. I crack open an egg. Great. She cracks open the egg and pours it into the bowl. Very good. Now, here is another sentence. He cracks open the coconut. He cracks open the coconut. So we use crack open when we need to break something before we can open it, like eggs or coconuts. All right, now let's test what you remember. What is this action called? Well done. To twist off. To twist off. What is this action called? Good job. To unpack. Now, what is this action called? Well done. To unscrew. To unscrew. What about this one? Fantastic. To peel open. To peel open. Here is the final one. What is this action called? Great. To pop open. To pop open. Okay, my friends. Today, you learned 5 easy ways to say open something in English. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'm Tom, and this is English Unleashed. Keep practicing and always keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.